Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the car charger from Borud. This is a 3-port car charger that supports the Quick Charge 3 standard. I will leave a link to this down in the description to Amazon. It's a pretty nice charger. It is an aluminum charger. It's not plastic. So on the back here, you do have 3 different ports. You have your your Type C port. You have your Quick Charge 3.0 port, which supports 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2.5 amps, and 12 volts at 2 amps. So you have all your different quick charge supports right there for your different devices. And we have a standard 5 volt 2.4 amp port right here on the bottom for your non-quick charge devices. And then your Type C port right here, which looks like it outputs at 5 volts 3 amps as well, so that does support quick charge. It's a pretty nice charger right here. I forget exactly how much it was, but like I said, I will leave a link down in the Amazon description, or down in the YouTube description to Amazon, and you guys can go ahead and pick one of these up. Pretty nice charger for your car. If you have a USB device or a Type C device, you can use a Type C to Type C cable, and you can charge your device using Quick Charge 3. So check that out in the description down below. This has been Colin with Techout. As always, don't forget to have a great day, and comment, rate, and subscribe. I may review this. If there's anything significant about it, I will make another video. If not, it's just a car charger. So check it out down below. And as always, have a great day.